Hi guys, and welcome to another video. And from you see the ground, you know it's farming, and this is a farming video. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I de-weed my lettuce. So you need a machete for this one, a very sharp machete, and a knife to scrape off the excess dirt. So let's get into it. So this is what I'm doing, guys. You want to make sure not to touch the plant, so you want to weed very carefully around the plant, because you don't want to disturb the roots of the plant. So I am weeding this while I am videoing. So you want to hog a little mulch around the plant. And as you guys can see, this lettuce has not been mulched as yet because it was too much rain, and I was afraid that if I mulch it, it was going to keep the water underneath the plant and make it too soppy. So I haven't mulched it as yet. Just want to get it weed out first before I mulch it. And I'm weeding those little grass, guys. If you can see those little grass, that's what I'm weeding right now. And the sun is very hot, so you want to weed it when the sun hot, so that the weeds can die. So yeah, and as I said before, you want to take your time whenever you're doing this, because you don't want to cut the roots off the plant, because if you cut the roots off the plant, it's going to die, and we don't want that, do we? We don't want the plant to die. So as you can see, the lettuce are growing very beautifully. They have survived the strong storm, surprisingly, because I've seen people putting up pictures of lettuce growing during the storm saying that they lost it, but mine has held up, and I'm very thankful for that. Very thankful for that, because I couldn't, and I don't know what I'd do if I lost everything at once, because as I showed you guys before, I had lost the broccoli, and the cabbage isn't so 100 either, because they have water soak. When you start to cut them, you see they start to rot. So I am glad that I have saved a little bit of lettuce. So I'm just going ahead and debushing these guys. So you want to draw the machete, you want to push the machete underneath the ground so you can get to the root of the weed. When you get to the root of the weed, you weed it like that, drag it up so that it don't catch back. Okay, you don't want the weeds to catch back. That will be very bad. That will give you a double walk. So you don't want that. So as I said, guys, you need to be very careful while you're doing all this. So, and if this was mulch, if this garden was mulch, it's the same procedure. Push the machete underneath the grass, the mulch, and weed up the weeds on from underneath. So anyway, guys, as you can see, I have my work cut out for me. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and comment to this video. Bye guys.